Hey, say mommy, 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 mommy. Okay, go ahead, Joey.
He's calling.
He's not gonna do it. I got that. Ooh.
I think he's too tired.
Are you not gonna do it anymore?
No. I'm ready to go to bed.
I think it's just because the camera's on. He's like, I better be good so that way my future self sees me behaving. And so that my future brothers and sisters can't make fun of me. But you're only 7 months, so how can anyone make fun of you? It's okay. Go ahead and do the album. Alright, we're gonna just go check out what the doggies are up to. And apparently it's really dark in here because you can't really see him. Oh, you didn't do it. Joey, you want to get it? Here you go. Here, try this side. This side makes the noise. Yeah. Where's the teething ring at? Mommy, see if you can open up his mouth.
Why? You can see both those teethies.
I don't think we can on the camera.
Probably not.
Hey! Who messaged me? Who messaged me? Joey. What you working on, Joey?
I'm very tired, Daddy.
You gonna try it again? Don't let it, he's gonna drop it. I'd rather chew in my hand. He was going to town on this like that for like a half hour earlier. And he just kept doing it. He's like, ow, 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 ow. It was so funny. Mommy and I were just laughing up a storm.
He's ready to go to bed. I'm gonna go get him changed.
Alright, say bye-bye. Say goodnight, everyone. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.